Hey and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel and today I will give you a proper room tour. Back in January I had the opportunity to share an Airbnb with two amazing digital nomads, Julian and Niels, who also run their own successful online business. We spent 4 weeks on the Spanish island Tenerife, which is one of the 7 Canarian islands in the Atlantic Ocean just in front of Africa. As a challenge I decided to create a video every single day and ended up with 46 videos in a row. This series is the best travel vlogs from my time on Tenerife. Get the chips ready, hit subscribe, dingle dingle the bang bang gong, and I'm the only one stupid enough to get lost on this island. Tenerife is one of the most beautiful islands I have ever been. You will find a variety of different things to explore, from beautiful beaches and water parks, ghost towns, and the crazy high volcano Mount Teide, which is the highest point from all in Spain and the highest mountain above sea level in the Atlantic Ocean. The south is more touristic and a bit more expensive. That's why we decided to rent an Airbnb in the north of the island. Punta del Hidalgo is a small village which still offers everything you need: beaches, shopping, restaurants, cafes, and an amazing back area with mountains for long hikes. In those couple of weeks I already fall in love with the Spanish village and I dedicated a vlog just about Punta del Hidalgo, so stay tuned, and when it's up I will link it here and in the description. The Airbnb is located at the entrance of the village and is hosted by togehter, and you can find it on the map from Airbnb. Just look for those pictures and I will also copy a link into the description. In total we paid 896 euros a month, which means each of us had to pay 299 euros for 4 weeks. This is a very good deal. We spent far less money than being in a hotel. This Airbnb is one of the best Airbnbs I have ever stayed. There are only 2 downsides, which are not really a problem. Number 1, if you want to see more from the island and you want to also shop in the cheaper supermarkets, then you should get a rental car. But I would always get a rental car, it doesn't matter where you stay on this island, because Tenerife has so much to offer and the prices for rental cars are very cheap. I made a vlog just about rental cars and where you can get the cheapest price, and I will link it here when it's online. And number 2, if you are a YouTuber like me, then the internet was too slow for uploads. It is still good enough to just surf the web or watch Netflix, but if you want to see how I solved this problem, then watch my first vlog from Tenerife. Hey and welcome today. I'm on a walk right now because I started my day actually with promoting a lot the video from yesterday. I kind of like a slap. Look at this scenery. I will walk all there, and the waves today, they're just crashing it. They're just amazing. And look at those cool houses that you see here. They are all in different colors. I also found a really cool playground. I found this amazing free place, and that reminds me on Spain, because always in Spain they had these exercises for free, and also in Australia. That was just amazing. You know, I'm really bad at filming myself. I can't even go into the frame. And I call myself a YouTuber. But you know what? Progress, not perfectionism. Progress. I really like Spain. Before I started traveling in 2015, when I went to camp. Oops. So this is basically how I run around the city, always my headphones on my head and just trying to listen to podcasts and trying to improve my English. Before I went to Canada, New Zealand, Australia, I actually went many times to Spain. I even learned Spanish in a 3 weeks course in Madrid, visiting one of my best friends. Emiliano, if you're watching this, you are amazing. I'm just walking up a mountain at the moment, which is so cool. Look at this. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a big mountain, there's a big mountain, there's the ocean, and then on the other side is a mountain. Oh, and this goes all the way down. I should be careful here on this top thing where I'm standing at the moment.
So the thing is with Tenerife, we don't really have a plan in terms of we want to see this, and this. We just basically came here to the island because we still have our schedule, we work on our stuff, we work on our blog, we have a couple of projects, I have my daily vlog now, and so kind of like having fun, living in the moment. I made it! That's not the top, to be fair, but it's very high up. Can you tell me what you did today?
I surprised myself. We have tomato sauce, courgette, capsicum, aubergine. Have you ever seen colored pasta?
Uh-huh. Welcome to our Airbnb here in Tenerife in Spain. When you come here inside, you will see this massive area. This is an oven, coffee machine, microwave, fridge. We have this stuff here. We have so much space that we can even use the pans in each of them. This is crazy. We also have a dishwasher. We have a coffee machine, water kettle, a toaster. We also have a laundry that's all in the back here in this little cabin there. Then we have this massive area here in the front. We can sit here. I show you the room. This is where you can launch the rocket. We have room number 1. You can decide if you want to sleep in the smaller one, or you can choose this massive, beautiful bed here. If you want to visit us, we actually have one spare bed. We have this bed just for you. Room number 2. Now I show you my room. Let's go. Do you see this? Welcome to my room. When you open this, you have massive lights because you're in the heart of this Airbnb. This room has a TV. You have your own bathroom and your own toilets. Bathroom, toilet. Another toilet and another bathroom, toilet here. Is it not beautiful? Is it not beautiful? I think it's beautiful. When it comes to choose your accommodation, you have a couple of options: hostels, hotels, motels, all those kind of things. But you also have Airbnb. If you have never heard about Airbnb, it's basically a website where you can search for accommodations in all different types of categories. Just check it out. And by the way, if you are new to Airbnb, I have a link in my description where you can get some money off from your first stay in the next room. So definitely check that out in the description. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and also smash the bell, bing, 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 bing. We see us tomorrow. I'm Daniel. Bye. Your journey with your friends, family, and then there will be even, oh, I will tell you in a second, because there's something how you can make money. The moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. Because I'm also recording this video behind the scenes of this video that I'm making for this video that I'm making. It's 3 videos that I'm making. I'm on time pressure. Let's see if I can actually make it. So the sun is behind this mountain here. That's just where I came from. That's the ocean. Those are the other mountains. And I still have to go way far beyond that.